In May 2018, Reflect Digital piloted our student workshop afternoons. We invited a number of students to spend an afternoon learning about the possible careers available within an agency, speaking to staff and learning about the ways to start your career.
Hi, I'm Louise and I'm at UCA at the moment doing a foundation year in art and design.
And I'm Sophie and I'm a student at Maidstone Girls Grammar School.
It was really useful actually because we actually got to see what I got to see what it would be like to be a designer in an actual agency rather than just like doing it at school and stuff like that. So you got to see it more in context.
Brilliant.
And as well for me, doing the week of work experience previous, it was really good to not just see one side of the company but kind of get an overall view of what everyone's doing and how it all works together.
I like the design work you showed us, like the presentations of how they present works to clients. I think that's really interesting and would be like fun to put together and like come up with all different ideas. So it's like you can put your ideas forward and the client can see that as well. So I think that'd be fun to do in the future.
Brilliant.
And for me, definitely the SEO, like looking at how to get websites up to the top without having to make them pay or anything like that. Definitely getting them to the top to get their business working. Definitely really good.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend. You've got sweets and you've got an office dog and it is actually really useful as well.
Yeah, the information that came from today was really, really useful and really fun as well. Definitely a good company to work at and to kind of see how companies are all different.
Very inspiring.
Yeah.